Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is fit and fine at home. So today we are going to revise chapter number 4, A Bowl of Rice. This chapter we have already done. Today we are going to do the revision. So we are going to read a short summary of it. Okay, in the first paragraph they have said that how do you feel when someone get injured? Do you laugh at that person or do you feel sympathy? मतलब दया आती है दूसरों के पर. So compassion is the feeling of sympathy to the sorrows and misfortunes of others. और जो ये compassion आती है दिल से आती है, चेहरे में या मुंह से दिखाने से नहीं आती. It should come from your heart and it should be the part of your life. So किसे पता अभी वो उदास है, कभी आप भी हो सकते हो. So हमें कभी भी किसी की मजबूरी का या किसी को चोट लगे, किसी के साथ कुछ भी बुरा हो या कोई अपसेट हो, हमें कभी भी उनका मजाक या उनके साथ कुछ भी मजाक करना अच्छा नहीं होता है. सो ये स्टोरी हमें सिखाती है कि compassionate behavior होता क्या है. In this story there was a king. He wants to see how the people of his kingdom are. So he changed his look and he went to the kingdom to see the people. So he went with his ministers. So one day he went to 3 houses. First house was of a merchant. So he said when in a beggar form they have gone, मतलब beggar की getup में गए थे. So उन्होंने when they have asked for the alms, मतलब उन्होंने भीख मांगी. Then what happened? He said that my store caught fire yesterday, so I don't have anything. Everything has been destroyed. So I can't lose more by giving you. So I don't have anything. You can go. King was very sad by listening to this one. Then he went to the next house. The next house was the priest house. He was very poor priest and he had 5 members in his family. Then also he brought handful of rice and gave to the beggar. Who is the beggar? King. So he was well moved by it. The king, okay, at least someone is there who has helped them out. Then they went to the third house. In the third house there was a poor farmer. On that day, in that year, what had happened, there was no rain, so he had suffered very huge loss. So because of that, what happened, when the beggars came, he saw them, so he gave the large bowl of rice. He said with folded arms, please accept this one, my wife has cooked for today's lunch, but you looked more hungry and starved than us, so you can have this one, please have this meal. And he went and he said that let me bring the water for you. By seeing this, king was very touched by his compassionate behavior. So next day he called the farmer to the court and he gave gold coins which were 10 times the weight of the rice. So see, by his compassionate behavior, he was rewarded for that one. So children, helping the needy is like showing our gratitude to God. If you are ready to help others, God will surely help you. Therefore, help others wholeheartedly. So this was the short summary of this chapter. I hope you might have understood again. And this is the word meaning which you have to learn. Of each and every chapter you have to learn it. So I no need to tell you again and again. So for the revision of the exams, it would be word meanings of this chapter you have to revise. This is take the correct option. If anyone has not done it till now, please see the answers and note it down in your notebook. The exercise in your book. In notebook, you have to write down only the word meaning and question answers. Okay. Then we have to do this, choose the correct words. Then next is the question answers. You can see all the question answers, all 5 question answers. Okay, that's it. Thank you and have a good day.